How do I turn off self-cleaning on my GE oven?
In this video, we will guide you through the process of turning off the self-cleaning function on your GE oven. The process may vary slightly depending on the specific model of your oven, but these general steps should help you disable the self-cleaning function. Let's get started.
What is self-cleaning?
Self-cleaning is a feature on many ovens, including GE models, that allows the oven to clean itself by heating to very high temperatures, turning any food residue or grease into ash. This makes it easy for you to wipe away the debris after the cycle has finished.
Why turn off self-cleaning?
There might be instances when you want to turn off the self-cleaning function on your oven. You might need to stop the cleaning cycle in progress, or you may want to prevent it from starting accidentally. Regardless of the reason, we will walk you through how to do this.
How to cancel the self-cleaning cycle in progress.
If you want to cancel the self-cleaning cycle while it is in progress, follow these steps. 1. Locate the Cancel Off or Clear Off button on your oven's control panel. 2. Press the button to cancel the self-cleaning cycle. The oven will begin to cool down, and the door will remain locked until it reaches a safe temperature. Note: it may take some time for the oven to cool down enough to unlock the door. Do not attempt to force the door open.
How to disable the self-cleaning function.
If you want to disable the self-cleaning function to prevent it from being accidentally started, you can follow these steps. 1. Locate the Control Lock or Panel Lock button on your oven's control panel. This button might be combined with another function, such as the timer or clock. 2. Press and hold the Control Lock or Panel Lock button for 3 to 5 seconds until you hear a beep or see a message on the display indicating that the control panel is locked. 3. With the control panel locked, the self-cleaning function will be disabled and cannot be accidentally started. Note: to unlock the control panel and regain access to all oven functions, press and hold the Control Lock or Panel Lock button again for 3 to 5 seconds. Now you know how to turn off the self-cleaning function on your GE oven. Remember that the exact process may vary depending on your oven model, so consult your owner's manual for specific instructions if needed. Happy cooking!